A day after senior leaders Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan were shunted out of the Political Affairs Committee, the disquiet within the Aam Aadmi Party is far from settled. As the National Executive approved removal of the duo from the powerful committee, another senior leader, Mayank Gandhi, has said the decision was against the sentiments of volunteers. In his blog, Gandhi said, "I was taken aback by the resolution of removing them publicly, especially as they themselves were willing to leave. The decision is against the overwhelming sentiments of volunteers from all over the world." AAP's key face in Maharashtra, Mayank Gandhi, who was not present during the voting, also dared the party leadership. He wrote, "Last night I was told that disciplinary action would be taken against me if I revealed anything. So be it. My first allegiance is to the higher truth." Giving the background of the whole episode, Gandhi said there were operational irreconcilable differences and trust deficit between Arvind Kejriwal, Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav. He said, on the 26th of February night, when the members of the National Executive went to meet him, Arvind conveyed that he will not be able to work as convener if these two members were part of the PAC.
No, I think I have put across my point as well as I could in the blog. That is all that I wanted to say. The blog was directed towards the volunteer. एक higher truth भी होता है. देश के लिए आए थे, पार्टी के लिए नहीं आए थे. तो देश के लिए जो ठीक लगेगा वो हम करेंगे. पार्टी तो उसका एक माध्यम है देश को ठीक करने का.
Reacting to Mayank Gandhi's blog, AAP leader Prem Singh Pahari said that AAP volunteers will in no time understand the whole episode and they are with the party.
जहाँ तक आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता हैं बहुत सुलझे हुए समझदार हैं और जो कुछ हुआ है ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ कि कोई पार्टी से उन्होंने अपने को अलग कर लिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. वो भी पार्टी के भी हमारे राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी के सदस्य हैं वो और हमारे सम्मानित साथी हैं. हम लोग बराबर एक दूसरे से मिलते रहते हैं. मैं समझता हूँ कि कार्यकर्ताओं में अभी थोड़ा सा जो भ्रम होगा धीरे करके एक दो दिन के अंदर पार्टी में उनको समझ में आ जाएगा.
The marathon meeting of the party's national executive on Wednesday removed Bhushan and Yadav with a majority decision of 11 as compared to 8 in opposition. Yogendra Yadav said the development has in no way discouraged him from going ahead with larger goals.
मैंने मयंक गांधी जी का ब्लॉग पढ़ा है, लेकिन मैं उस पे कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता. बस मैं एक ही बात कह सकता हूं कि अंततः सच सामने आ जाता है.
Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister and AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal has reached Bangalore for treatment of chronic cough and high blood sugar levels. He's been admitted at a Naturopathy Institute for a 10-day treatment. Newsnight Desk, DD News.